Hello everyone, this is Brian again, and if you've been following along, this is our 10th video in our HTML tutorial. Today we are going to learn positioning. So far, everything that we've done has been justified or positioned to the left. Now how do you get this to the center or to the right of the page? Well, today we're going to learn that. It's actually very simple. Go into our handy little template here, and the first one you're going to learn about is the center tag. I'm sure you can hear me typing. My gaming keyboard's a bit loud. Save our work here. Refresh, and you see I'm in the middle. And that's all there is to it. Just center, in center, put what you want in the middle. Now, one of the tags that we've learned before is the paragraph tag. Remember, it's just, whoops, help if I put the in bracket here. Now, when you save that, refresh your page, you see the text is left justified by default. So how do we manipulate this text within the paragraph, tell it where to put it? Well, the answer to that is an attribute called align. And in this case we'll say right. And we'll just put the text to right side. And just to cheat a little bit here, we will copy this, paste it, and for this we will put center. And you can even justify it to the left, but it's rather pointless seeing how it justifies to the left by default. But just to show you, for the sake of education, what this does, save our page, refresh it, and you can see you can put it in the left, in the center, or in the right. Now you might be asking, why do we have two commands to put things in the center? Center works just as good as paragraph align center. The answer to that is simple. The HTML protocol has actually evolved over the years, and the center command actually appeared before the paragraph command. Paragraph just creates a section of the page called a paragraph and then allows you to align it through this attribute called align. That's really all there is to positioning text and objects around the page. I mean, you could, instead of text, you could put an image or a flash script or whatever you felt like putting in there. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, join my channel or send me a message or not. Alright, thank you for watching.